Mastering that and those. A simple guide. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we are diving into the world of demonstrative determiners. Specifically, we'll learn about the usage of that and those in sentences. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently use these determiners in your own conversations and writing. Let's get started. That and those are demonstrative determiners. We use them to point out and specify which thing or things we are talking about. That is used for singular items, and those is used for plural items. For example, you might say, I like that book, or I want those shoes. Let's start with that. We use that to refer to specific things or people that are farther away in distance or time. Here are some examples. 1. That dog across the street is very noisy. 2. Can you see that mountain in the distance? 3. That time we went to the beach was so fun. Remember, we use that when the noun we're referring to is singular. Next, let's look at those. We use those to refer to specific things or people that are farther away in distance or time. But in this case, the noun we're referring to is plural. Here are some examples. 1. Those birds on the roof are really loud. 2. Those cookies you made yesterday were delicious. 3. Those holidays we used to have were so relaxing. So, when referring to more than one thing or person that's not close to us, we use those. So to sum up, the main difference between that and those is the number of items you're referring to. If it's one item, use that. If it's more than one item, use those. Remember, both of these words are used to refer to something that is not immediately close to the speaker. Thank you for watching this video on the usage of that and those. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try to use these words in your daily conversations and writings. You'll soon become confident and proficient in using these demonstrative determiners. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more English learning videos. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.